Any kind of sharp tooth pain when you sip chai or chew food is not normal. It is your tooth screaming for help. Yes, it can be something bigger than you might think. It might be just the beginning of something major which needs the real treatment. Tooth pain comes in stages. What basically happens is your teeth has three different layers. The topmost layer is something called as enamel, the second layer is dentine, and the third layer, which is the pulp. The pulp tissue is the layer in which the actual blood vessels and nerves live. That sharp pain, which means the bacteria has now crossed the first two layers, that is enamel and dentine, and reached the third layer, which is the pulp, and that is why you feel that sharp shooting pain when you eat or drink anything too hot, too cold, or even while chewing normal food. At this stage, I take your tooth x-ray to confirm the extent of the infection. And if it is either reaching the pulp tissue or it has reached the pulp tissue, we need to do something known as a root canal treatment, in which we clean the roots of the tooth with precision tools and technique under local anesthesia. Now, within few days after the root canal procedure, there is no pain, no infection, and your tooth is saved from something bigger, for example, tooth extraction. Root canal just seems scary, but honestly, it is pain relieving and teeth saving rescue mission. I am Dr. Ishita Jakhanwal, implantologist and oral rehabilitation expert. If you want to listen to more such educational videos, do follow my page. For any other query, you can comment in the comment section below.